What's happening, guys? It's Jeremy Blanton here, and I'm back to discuss another topic today. One of the things that I deal with a lot of times is people want to know what kind of website is that? And you might be looking at something and seeing this is a really cool design, and I'd love to know what's the name of that theme so that I could change my website over to it. Or there may be a specific plugin that you find in a website that you say, you know what, I want to be able to have that plugin in my personal website. You know, one of the beautiful parts of WordPress is that there are thousands upon thousands of plugins that are out there. And sometimes trying to figure out what's the good one for maybe sharing a post to Facebook or to Twitter that you'd like to have on your site, and you don't know what they're called. And when you start looking at them, you go, which one should I use? So you go and you start checking to see what your friends have on their websites, find it there, and then you have to try to figure out what is the name. So today I want to take a minute and show you guys how to do all that. So I've got a couple different websites here on the screen, and first off I want to show you how can you figure out what is the theme, what is this, is it built on WordPress or not. So all you need to do is go to any different website. It doesn't matter what you go to. I'm using Google Chrome today, by the way, and I'm just going to go on here. I'm just going to right click and click on View Page Source. And when I do that, it's going to open up this block here where it's going to give me basically all of the content and all the stuff in here. And so you can see if I look real quickly in here, and I'm just going to do find to find it, I can just start to type in the abbreviation for WordPress is WP. And then if I put a dash content, it's going to start to show me all of the content and all the different things in here. So if I wanted to know, for example, what theme is this on, I would just do a Command F and type in theme. And you can see right here, this one's running Headway on. If I go over here to this site and I want to see, wow, this is a really great looking website. I want to know, is this on WordPress or not? Once again, right click on it, go to View Page Source, and you can see as I start to look through here, I can see WP content. And if I look, I can see this one has a great theme. It's called Essence Pro. So I want to know, what is Essence Pro? Who's it by? Easiest way to do this, hit a tab, type in Essence Pro theme, and bam, just like that, I'm finding it. It's StudioPress, it's part of the Genesis package, and I could download this theme in a matter of seconds and have it in there to start using on it. Now, what if you find something and you really need, that sharing button? So here we have on this site some really cool looking Facebook share and Twitter button, and I want to know, what is this? So once again, I'm just going to click the right click button. I'm going to click View Page Source. This is a plugin that's running. So there's two ways I could do it. I could simply go here, right click, go View Source, and find and type in plugins, and then see there's 25 of them. And so there's a lot to look through here. And so you can see there's Easy Testimonials, there's Mass Share, which is the name of it. That's the actual one. And there's so many more. And so I could do this and go through here and click through to figure out which one it is. Or if I go back to the site and I just simply hover over this and right click and hit Inspect, it's going to take you right into that section in the code. And you can see I'm in it right here, and it's part of Mass Share. You see it's saying Mash icon, mash that, and I could figure out what it is. Then I could simply just open a new tab, type in Mash Share plugin WordPress, and within seconds, bam, right here we are. I'm at the social media share button, and I've got it right here to go and install on my site. So you can see how simple this is. And guys, it's not just small websites like this. If we go over here to this tab and look at it, here's TechCrunch. TechCrunch, are they running on WordPress? Of course they are. Let's go here and look. And so we just got to type in WP-content, and you can see right here it's showing it's on content. And you can see if I went in here and actually looked for the theme, this one's going to have a completely custom theme for it, which is called the TechCrunch 2017 theme. Really cool stuff you can find. Maybe you want to check out some other people. Like, look, here's Daryl Eves, awesome YouTuber, knows a lot of content. And guess what? If I go and look at page source on this one, you can see Daryl Eves is running WP content. Says right there, shows you he's running a WordPress site as well. And if I wanted to, maybe I want to see what kind of theme is he running. So we're going to type in here themes and find it. And sometimes there's multiple things you have to kind of look through. So you can see here, it looks like his might be called vlog child. Or vlog. Yep, the theme is called vlog, and he's using a child theme, vlog child. So anyway, hope this, guys, is helpful to you. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe so you can get more great tips in the future. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.